going through, and it's not giving out the best of you. And yeah, I'm really kinda feeling you. Sorry for the pain you going through. Yeah, I see the pain you going through, and it's not giving out the best of you. And yeah, I'm really kinda feeling you. Sorry for the pain you going through. Playing with my heart, you never loved me from the start. And if I ever say I love you, it's gonna be on toxic stuff. You the one that did it to me, you the one that I can't trust, you the one that I can't love.
Better with the boo, playing with my heart, you got me feeling like a fool. I can't even talk to you. All the pain that you put me through. Every time that we fight, I feel like I always lose. Thought we was forever, but now we're through. All this pain inside, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I see the pain you going through, and it's not giving out the best of you. And yeah, I'm really kinda feeling you. Sorry for the pain you going through. Yeah, I see the pain you going through, and it's not giving out the best of you. And I'm really kinda feeling you. Sorry for the pain you going through. You're a really good actor, that should be your job. Cause you really had me thinking about risking it all. I was always there for you, I was your ride or die. Now it looks like you switched up sides.
Y'all like a brother and a sister to me. No, please don't argue like father and father and mother used to do. No matter what, y'all are family.
Yeah, I see the pain you're going through, and it's not giving out the best of you. And yeah, I'm really kind of feeling you. Sorry for the pain you're going through.